keep it really cold.
The simple low temperature differential Stirling engine, made from 2 coffee cans, 2 tomato paste cans, a paper clip, 3 safety pins, a pen, and some wire insulator. A CD holder, a CD, some epoxy and some super glue, a couple of elastic, some tape, and a balloon. Super simple. Runs off of a cup of hot water from the tap and a wet paper towel on top. Make it go faster. It's my first attempt at a Stirling engine, and it was very simple. I figured out the working distance for the diaphragm for the balloon by putting the whole thing together and putting some heat on the bottom and pushing the displacer down to see how far the balloon pushed up on a small tape measure. Then when you pull it up, you see how far it sucks down. And then you take off about 1 millimeter off each side, so that way there's not too much resistance, and it takes very low temperature differential to make it go up and down. The working distance for the displacer was from the styrofoam. The styrofoam I found was about half the size of this. I added 1 millimeter on each side so that I could put almost a millimeter clearance from top to bottom, so that way it doesn't touch. And that's the working distance for that. So if the styrofoam was 10 millimeters thick, I would make this 5 millimeters tall and add, this would be 22 millimeters then, if that's how big it was. So it's pretty easy to figure out your working distances. Nice and simple. If anybody has any questions, just post and I'll answer them. I'll draw a little diagram and put it into the description for anybody that wants to make one. It's very easy.